Eishil here and coming to you live at Tonsai. Yes, we're packing and we're leaving. Time check is 7 in the morning. We have to go earlier to KRABI so we could go to 2 places today after Tonsai. That's our plan before going to another place tomorrow. This has been our bungalow for the past 2 days. The bungalows will stretch up there and then also on the side jungle because you're in between cliffs, high mountains, limestone mountains and trees. Since this is an island and they have to conserve the use of electricity, the electricity in all the bungalows will be turned on from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. and turn it off from 6 to 6 as well. But then there's a common hall where you can connect from free Wi-Fi and charging. Water is unlimited. Chill out bungalow. There are other hotels near this place, but it's kind of pricey. It's out of my budget. Let's go. This is the reception, and this is the woody, cozy. What is that? Bar, the hall. Okay, and there are arrays of you can book for your activities here: wall climbing and a mini mart, and then fruit shake stand and a coffee shop. And then this is where they usually do their fire show. It's actually very cheapy. It's a superb one. Chill out bar. Bungalow. And the forbidden wall of Tonsai, it stretches down there. And behind this wall is, I think it's a private land, but then there's a crossing where you can cross over to this forbidden wall and then walk straight to the beach. That's the name of our guest house, the Chill Out Bar. From here, it says on the left side. And this is a coffee shop that is also very chilly. Yesterday at the lagoon, my battery runs out. I wasn't able to take more videos because 2 of my batteries were run out. Oh my god, when I was floating and I was looking up, it's like a shape of an eye. It's so perfect. The limestones are really massive and it's full of trees. It's like you're in a pit. I was surprised with the water, thinking that it's a fresh water, but it wasn't. It's even saltier than the ones from the ocean. That's how I tasted the water when I first dipped. Babe, faster! Honey!
You don't have to bring water.
Honey, you have to walk beside me. Babe, don't walk too fast. Please wait for me, honey. So, honey, how was your lagoon?
Suddenly, I don't want to answer a question. Okay, so what was your question?
Hiking yesterday to the lagoon. Was it tough? Was it easy?
No, it was not easy. It was, I mean, you dragged me into this kind of adventure where I'm not that ready.
But I'm really happy that you did pretty well.
Actually, as of now, I'm still suffering with those pains.
And so am I.
Some bruises.
We are coming back. I think they're open. Our guest house because we still have to wait for other passengers. We need more 8 and there are only 2 of us. So we got back here at the bungalow for our breakfast. I'm going to have sticky mango rice. It's fine. Back in our abode. Monkey. Good morning. There. Honey, come on.
Gosh.
from here, 3 to 4 hours.
Okay.
From KRABI to Khao Sok
Okay, got it.
by minivan.
Minivan. Okay.
Better than the bus.
Better.
Or we go to the toilet straight.
Toilet mystery. Before we go to platform, what time will we go?
11:30.
11:30. We still have 1 hour.
250.
11:30, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we still have 1 hour. So we can relax a bit. Thanks. And talking too.
Got our ticket for 250 each. Private car.
No, it's not 250, 2,500. Look at it.
No, 250 times.
I'm just kidding you. So it's around 2,500, okay?
I don't know what was it.
God, it's non-refundable.
Oh, we cancelled KRABI. It's because Khao Sok is our priority than KRABI.
This instant coffee costs 15 baht, and this one's 20 baht. No, not chocolate.
Not chocolate. What's the flavor?
Not chocolate flavor. Plain one.
Why is your eyes not on your food? Why your eyes is just like the direction that way? Who's in there?
Well,
Let's see.
yeah. Delicious.
Tell me why. I won't include that in the vlog.
Ain't nothing but this day. Tell me why.
Presenting to you my babe.
What?
My babe.
Mas baboy ka kaya sa akin. Baby baboy ka.
Alright. Pakita mo yung view mo. So this is our free shuttle in the van. Drop us at the highway. It's our gonna check in. And we're checking at Khao Sok. That's smart. And we're already checked in our room here at Khao Sok. That's Mart's room over there. We're neighbors. That's his room.
Hi.
And this is mine. Let's see how pretty the rooms are here. Fancy toilet. Do they have hot shower? Hot shower. Ooh la la. It has a hot shower. I have a hot shower.
Oh, you have a hot shower there?
Yes.
Perfect for you.
Nope. Do you have?
No, I don't have.
Ooh.
It's the same.
Same size?